y'all, so since we're in the middle of a pandemic, I decided to improvise and I'm doing a 21st birthday photo shoot here at the house. So here's my photographer, my cousin Ken. Y'all can follow her on Insta and Twitter at
Ken600 underscore.
Yes.
KENN. Yes.
Period. So yeah, we always gonna make it work, so stay tuned.
Flashback.
Okay, so I've now finished my makeup. Just a soft beat, soft glam, nothing major, you know, something cute for the photo shoot. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair done. I'm gonna get a wig, so my aunt is coming to do my hair. My aunt is a mobile stylist. I'll link her information below or somewhere on the screen, but yeah, she's a mobile stylist in the DFW area, so you know, y'all get at her. And she's just gonna come over to the house and do my hair, and that's kind of perfect because that's where we're doing the quarantine photo shoot anyways, so it'll be pretty easy. But yeah, about to get that started, so let's get into it. Okay, so here are my fits. I kind of just had them laid out on the bed, you know, so I can just step into them and go. So let's get to it. Okay, y'all, we got the background busting, we got the lights lit, and the music banging. We're about to get into this photo shoot, so y'all stay tuned. I'll be back. Okay, so fit number one, look one. Let's get started. Okay, y'all, here's the next look. Giving you pure cocaine vibes. Giving you body, nothing major, just simplicity. So let me know which look you guys like best down below in the comments. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, so here's the last look, giving you a little old Hollywood glam, Dorothy Dandridge vibes, you know, vintage vibes, just glam. Don't forget to comment your favorite look down below and make sure you like and subscribe also. Okay, guys, so it's a wrap. We're officially done filming for the day. Again, please make sure you guys comment your favorite look down below. And I'm also going to link all the equipment that we used for the photo shoot, from the lights, the backdrop, to my ring light, everything. And I might even link some of the looks that I, had. I'm definitely gonna link my stylist below, my photographer, everything, everyone. So you guys just check me out in the description bar.